name is Chase Curtis, and this is our group project, Feeding Fuzzy. So the purpose of our project was to create a dog feeder that requires no human interaction whatsoever. So we thought that it would be a great idea because most existing dog feeders cost from anywhere $100 to $300, which is insane. So we built this dog feeder with under $25. And firstly, I'm going to explain to you a little bit about the dog feeder and its overall build. So the main components of the dog feeder are the Pringles can, which is on top. Then we have the dog bowl, the tin can, the medicine funnel, the styrofoam platform, and the microcontroller. So I'm going to use this to show you because we use the same design for our preliminary design and our final design. So firstly, let's talk about the Pringles can. So at the very bottom of the can, there's a semicircle, and it is a cutout. So a cutout semicircle, and then that connects to a semicircle in the tin can as well. But in the middle of the tin can, there is a normal little hole. And that hole allows a motor to fit through it. So the motor connects to a bit inside of the Pringles can. And that bit is called a servo adapter. So the servo adapter and the motor connect. And then the hole in here, the semicircle hole in here, and the semicircle in the hole in here, overlap. So that there's one big hole. So basically what happens is when the motor turns, the Pringles can turns and allows the food to fall out. So that's the overall design. And then the food would fall from the Pringles can into the tin can and then go out of this funnel into the pet bowl. And that's our design. But the reason why this one didn't work was because inside of here, the two semicircle holes, they were really jagged, and they were so jagged to the point that we couldn't even connect the motor and the servo adapter. So on this design, we made sure to sand our holes and make sure that they were very smooth so that we could fit the two together. And that was what allowed this to work. So I think I'm going to do a quick demonstration, but I'm not allowed to use food, so I'm not going to use anything, but you just got to pretend with me, okay? So firstly, what you would do is you would take the top off of the the Pringles can, and then you would pour your food in. And then after that, you would close her up. And then all you have to do is apply an energy source to the microcontroller. And my partner, Samuel, he's going to talk more about the microcontroller and the code. But you just have to apply a power source. And it spins and aligns the holes. And after 5 seconds, it will spin right back. So right now, for testing purposes, just to show you guys, this is coded so that every 5 seconds, it will turn back, and every 30 seconds, it will open up. So every 30 seconds, it will feed your pet. But that's not final. That's just for testing purposes. But of course, if you were an owner of this, then you would be able to change whenever you wanted your pet to be fed. You can do it for example, every 12 hours, or every whatever you want. So you can always change that in the code, and it's really easy. So that's our project, and thank you for listening.